Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can screenshot with medal.tv. So let's say you are gaming and you need to take a screenshot. I'll show you how you can do that with one button click. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the settings, and right here if you go to the clip settings and scroll down, you'll see screenshots. And right here it says screenshots, enable screenshots and customize the hotkey for capturing screenshots. So make sure to enable the screenshots, and right here you'll be able to edit your hotkey. So basically click on the pen icon and click the button that you want to use for the screenshots. So I will click F5, and basically now if I'm playing something and click F5, I will take a screenshot. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.